Our story begins billions of years ago. Imagine a giant cloud of gas and dust just floating in space. This cloud, called a nebula, was the birthplace of our solar system. Now, something amazing happened. Maybe a star exploded nearby or a giant wave of energy passed through the cloud. Whatever it was, it caused the cloud to start collapsing in on itself. As the cloud collapsed, it started spinning faster and faster, like a figure skater pulling in their arms. The center of the cloud got hotter and denser, eventually igniting into our very own star, the Sun. But not all the material ended up in the Sun. Some of it was still swirling around, forming a disk of leftover gas and dust. This swirling disk is where Earth and all the other planets were born. It's hard to imagine, but everything we know and love, every mountain, every ocean, every living creature, came from this swirling cloud of cosmic dust. Now let's talk about gravity. Gravity is a force that pulls things towards each other. It's like an invisible glue that holds the universe together. In the swirling disk around the young sun, gravity started pulling tiny particles of dust and gas together. These particles clumped together, forming larger and larger objects. Imagine rolling a snowball down a hill. It picks up more snow as it rolls, getting bigger and bigger. That's kind of what happened with the early Earth. It started small, but as it circled the sun, it swept up more and more material, growing larger over millions of years. But it wasn't just about getting bigger. Gravity also shaped the Earth. It pulled all the material towards the center, squeezing it so tightly that the Earth became round, like a giant space ball. In the beginning, Earth was a hot, molten mess. Imagine volcanoes erupting everywhere with rivers of lava flowing across the surface, but slowly, over millions of years, the Earth began to cool down. As the surface cooled, a crust formed, like a hard shell on top of a molten center. But there was still a lot of heat trapped inside the Earth. This heat caused gases to escape from the molten rock below the crust. These gases, like water vapor, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen, rose up into the sky and formed the Earth's early atmosphere. Now here's where it gets really interesting. As the Earth continued to cool, the water vapor in the atmosphere condensed. It rained and rained for millions of years, filling up the low-lying areas and forming the first oceans. These early oceans were probably very different from the oceans we know today, but they were the starting point for life as we know it. The story of Earth's formation is a tale of cosmic collisions, intense heat, and gradual cooling. It's a story that reminds us that our planet is not just a random collection of rocks and water. It's a dynamic, ever-changing system that has been shaped by forces over billions of years. And out of all this chaos, something truly remarkable emerged. Life. Earth is the only place we know of where life exists. It's our home, our oasis in the vastness of space. And it's up to us to understand its history, appreciate its beauty, and protect its future. After all, we are all children of the stars, born from the same cosmic dust that created this incredible planet we call home.